NordVPN affiliate program sign up. If you're looking for a way to monetize your website, blog, or YouTube channel by promoting one of the most trusted VPN services, then the NordVPN affiliate program is a great option. NordVPN offers a high-paying affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions for every user who sign up through your referral link. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up, explaining how the program works, and share tips on maximizing your earning. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the features or why you should join the NordVPN affiliate program. Now, first things first, they have their own high commission rates. You can earn up to 100% commission on the first month sales and 30% on renewals. Second, you have trusted brand. NordVPN is one of the most recognized and reputable VPN services in the industry. You have the long cookie duration. The affiliate program offers a 30-day cookie window, meaning you'll still get credited if someone signs up later. We also have the marketing support. You can get access to promotional materials, banner, and conversion optimized landing pages. You also have the global audience. VPN services are high demand worldwide, increasing your potential reach. Now, how can you go ahead and access or sign up the NordVPN affiliate program? Now, it's really simple. You want to navigate through the official NordVPN affiliate program page. It is the nordvpn.com/affiliate. If you cannot go ahead and find it on your browser, you can just go ahead and search for the NordVPN affiliate program sign up. From there, you will then go ahead and see the affiliate program sign up button. And basically, once inside, you will then be taken to this page. They also have an alternative page that will go ahead and look something like this, where you basically have to go ahead and click on the join the program button. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, to get started, let's go ahead and click on the join the program button. Right after that, we will now be taken to the partner sign up page. Apply to the network by submitting your information below. From here, you have your first name, your last name, email, password, and you have your business or account type. In my case, I click on the personal account, and then I'll just go ahead and fill out the necessary information on this page right here. And from there, you will now go ahead and have to enter your account details. It includes your address, city, postal codes, country. And right after, we have some additional informations like how will you drive traffic to NordVPN. In here, we have some choices like website, social media, PPC, pop-up or deep pop bundle, promotional emails, or others. You can then go ahead and link your website or channel to which you can then go ahead and promote on. From there, we have which products are you planning to promote. You have the NordVPN, which is the normal VPN service. You have the NordPass B2C, NordPass B2B, NordStellar, or NordProtect. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click the normal VPN service. And from there, you have your preferred payout method. You have PayPal, wire transfer, or will inform later. I'll click on the PayPal payment, and I'll just go ahead and click on social media. From there, you can then go ahead and click on submit. And basically from there, after clicking on submit, you will then be taken to the thank you page where your account or application is currently being reviewed. An account manager will contact you shortly through the number or the email address that you provided on the application form. And so from there, let's go ahead and talk about how you can go ahead and earn commissions. You can basically earn up to 100% commission on, once again, new user first subscription payment. You can get 30% recurring commissions when a new user renew their plan. And you can then go ahead and track your earnings through the affiliate dashboard. Let's also go ahead and talk about on how you can go ahead and maximize your NordVPN affiliate earnings. Now, the first step is to target the right audience. You can promote NordVPN to users looking for online security, streaming access, and privacy protection. You want SEO optimized content. You can write articles or create videos that rank for keywords like the best VPN for Netflix or how to browse anonymously. You can also use discounts and offers. You want to highlight NordVPN's frequent deals and promotions to encourage signups. Lastly, you have leveraging your email marketing. You can then go ahead and send NordVPN promotions to your subscriber list with engaging content. And from there, you can then go ahead and compare with other VPNs. You want to create comparison content that showcase NordVPN's advantages over other VPNs. And so once again, you want to join the NordVPN affiliate program for the high commission rates, trusted brand, long cookie duration, marketing support, and also global audience. Now, if you want to learn more about the alternatives affiliate programs, you can then go ahead and hand over to the ExpressVPN affiliate program, which is basically similar to NordVPN with competitive commissions. You have your Surfshark's affiliate program, which offers high payouts and a genius cookie duration. You have the CyberGhost VPN affiliate program, which is another top VPN provider with attractive commission rates. And so guys, once again, it's extremely simple. You can just go ahead and navigate through the nordvpn.com/affiliate, and from there, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the sign up button, fill some necessary information for your account, and from there, you will then go ahead and be reviewed for your application. Wait for a couple of hours, days, or weeks, and from there, they will go ahead and contact you through your number or the email that you provided on the form itself. Now, in conclusion, basically, the NordVPN affiliate program is one of the best ways to earn commissions in the cyber security niche with high commission rates, a trusted brand, and excellent marketing support. It's a great opportunity for bloggers, YouTubers, and digital marketers. If you're looking to monetize your content, you want to sign up today. Grab your affiliate link and start earning by promoting one of the most popular VPN services in the world. So before we end the video, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check that out. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for similar videos like this one. And so guys, I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.